Hello. Today we're at Kenneth Park. We are going to look at what the Nature Nexus Institute been doing here. They've been doing a habitat restoration, removing invasive plants and planting plants that should be in California. They've also been creating basins, little circle things, so that the plant can be planted there and it can be watered and it can grow. Let's take a look. There's the basin right there. The little donut. You're gonna see little pink flags, or whatever color they are. Just telling the people and stuff. You can see they pulled this area. They removed a lot of invasive plants. And some plants that should be here. And they've also took the sunflowers around. This is habitat restoration at its best.